With the release of the sharing feature, advanced analytics users can now share charts and dashboard reporting with other users of their organization. So simply navigate to your personal collection, and let's say we would want to move one of these charts, which is already saved. We select the tick box there, click on the three dots, move, and select shared collection, and move. And if I navigate to the shared collection, I will see this new chart which is placed under this heading, this section. Alternatively, the user can create a new report and save it instantly here. So we can do that by going to new question. We can take a relatively simple example. So for instance, the sum of the words processed by language pair, and let's filter that on the past 7 days. Okay, and when saving, the user would need to select the shared collection here. So instead of choosing the My Personal Collection, it will be shared collection. Let's clearly name it, example, and save. Now we can go back to the shared collection and we will see the chart saved there. So let me now log out and log in with another user of the same organization, of course. And going to the shared collection, we can also see the test example and words by business unit. I can also adjust these, so I can change, for instance, the visualization. Just a moment. Let's say we want it in a table or in a row. Done, save, and it will either replace the original question, so in this case the other user will also see this saved updates, or we can save it as a new question and we can again choose the collection where we'd want to share this new updated chart, whether it's My Personal Collection or the shared, which will be seen by other users of the organization. In this case, let's put replace and save. And any other user that logs into this shared collection, clicks on the test, it will be updated as with the new changes of the visualization. It is important to remember that anything that's placed under the shared collection can be seen by other users of the organization, but anything that is placed under your personal collection, this is only visible to yourself, so to the user logging into the phrase application.